Assalamu alaikum students. Now I'm going to start passive tenses, and in passive, when we talk about, we have got our first tense, which is present indefinite passive voice. So as I told you, the identities will remain same as like active tenses. You know, in present indefinite active voice we have ta hai, tiye, te hai in Urdu. So same is the case here. We will be having the same identity. And if I talk about its major definition, so where do we use present indefinite tense? Either active or passive. Whenever we talk about our present routine, like any action which you perform on daily basis, I get up, I take my breakfast, I go to my office, then I do my activities. So all these tenses, when I am talking about my present routine, present habit, so there I have to use present indefinite tense. On the other hand, whenever you talk about any like universal truth, so there obviously you have to use present indefinite. All the universal truth are told in present simple tense. This is the there its usage and definition. In its helping verb will be is, am, are, and in passive we always use third form of verb in passive. Either it is present, past or future, regardless of their time, we will use only third form of verb in our passive. With singular we will use is, with plural are, and with I we will use am. Remember one more thing, that in active voice, present indefinite active voice, we use do and does for making interrogative, and in positive we don't have any helping verb. But there in passive voice we will have is, am, are. Here this thing might confuse you, that we use is, am, are in active voice as well, but we use is, am, are in present continuous tense. There we use ing form, but here we will use third form of verb. Another difference is that there the subject is always available. For example, he is writing a letter, the subject he is there, but here we are using is, am, are when there will be no subject, as it is a passive voice. For example, उसे बुलाया जाता है, nobody is there to call him. The subject is not present there. कौन बुलाता है? Obviously nobody is there. So this is a passive voice, and once it is decided that this is a passive voice, so simple apply this formula. He is called, he is your object, and is obviously your helping verb. With singular we use is, and we will use third form of verb, he is called. Same is the case for making interrogative. You have to bring simply helping verb in start of the sentence. Is he called? क्या उसे बुलाया जाता है? And for making negative we will say he is not called. So this is the main structure of present indefinite passive voice. Hopefully you must have got idea having watched that video. If you like my way of teaching, you may take your online classes from me having paid a reasonable fee. The number is on your screen. Just dial my number, talk to me, select your class timing, pay your reasonable fee per month, and start the proceeding of learning English, even staying at home. Thank you very much.